YouTube is your friend. You're just starting reading guidelines, but your glass is full. You're just starting being creative, but you get a copyright claim or worse, a copyright strike. Not that type of strike. Copyright one. Don't forget to subscribe first. In starting YouTube, claim, strike and copyright are the most important things you need to know. Your content is ready, you find the right music, but then you feel lost in the forest. Hello, Ruxandra here and welcome to another video, claim, strike and copyright. This is a video that I did for you so you don't make the mistake of not being aware of these things before you start, as I did. When I started, I had no idea what copyright strike or copyright claim is, and I got a claim, of course, but it was not a big deal. But it was like I took off and I started creating a little bit better videos and with better music and without worrying too much and building a better timing, and a claim came in with no reason, but you need to have things at hand and you have to be aware when that is deserved or not. Mine was not deserved because I was using a platform from which I took, that piece of outro. Yeah, it was just an outro, like a few seconds. That's it. And I got a claim. So you have to be aware of that. And it's confusing that the music is so tricky. And now I have a membership to a beautiful website, Artlist. If you watch my videos, my previous ones, you will find the link in there. You'll have 2 months free, and I'll put the link in here also. There you will receive a PDF with the license for each and every song that you get. So when you get a claim, you can dispute that claim, and you put the your document, so you show them it's not a deserved claim, and they will get a claim back, I guess, in that case. But yeah, this is what happened to me, and this is why I make this video today for you, so you enjoy your content creation and you don't worry too much. So yeah, I do recommend put credits if you use like videos and photos from other even free sources, because yeah, then you're kind of covered and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, this is it, and I'll introduce you the next chapters which I worked for, and I really enjoy putting this together for you. So yeah, let's dive in. that you are dived into my video claims, strikes and copyright, I want to tell you what happened to me. I received a claim about a piece of music from my outro, just a few seconds, and I didn't know what to do, and I deleted the video. Yeah. So after that, I've been reading. I can dispute that claim, and you can do that also. But I didn't know what to do, so I just deleted the video, and that's it. What they can do after is they can monetize your video, and they can take the money from it, as you saw in the short presentation that I did before. So starting with YouTube, I do recommend you to read about claim, strikes and copyright. So what is a copyright claim, and what happens if you have a claim? A claim would not affect your YouTube channel. The rights holder can claim the revenue of the video, and he can place ads on that video and generate profit from it, and restrict your video from some countries or areas. Yeah, depends on the claim copyright holder. Copyright holder can also take no action. Yeah, if you're lucky, it will take no action. Copyright claims apply only to the video and not to the whole channel, like the strike one. Yeah. You can fight that claim and prove wrong if you have the evidence. And I didn't know about it. I could do that. Yeah. And I didn't, because I didn't know. And I want you to know, that's why I make this video. I want you to know what to do in just in case you get a claim or a strike. So what happens if you get a strike instead of getting the claim? Yeah, strike is a little bit more advanced than a claim. So what if you get a strike, a copyright strike? A copyright strike will affect all your channel. The copyright holder can completely remove the video from your YouTube channel. You're not able to monetize your those YouTube videos. If the strike is against a live stream, you may lose the right to live stream for 90 days. Yeah, and 3 copyright strikes and you will lose your channel. What are the statistics on copyright strikes, claims and so on? 50% of YouTubers receive a claim on their videos, 3% receive a copyright strike on a video, 5% receive both claim and strikes on a video, 33% never received a claim or a strike. There are very few, and 9% are not creators. Yeah. So if you don't create, you don't get a claim or a strike. If you create, you may have a claim, like 50% of YouTubers do, and yeah, you may have a claim once in your lifetime, of course. What should you do to start right? Read. You should read the guidelines first, which I didn't. And even if you read them, they're very tricky. And even the fair use stuff is very tricky. Once your channel will do well, maybe there will be some that will claim something. But yeah, creators should only upload videos that they have made and videos that they are authorized to use. So you have to ask for permission to use those videos in your videos if you want to use other people's videos. And you can join the YouTube Academy, the Creators Academy, and learn a lot of helpful tips, which I did after I did my YouTube channel and after I did a mistake, because you don't read until you do it. YouTube is always there to answer your questions, and they have amazing videos inside the Creator Academy. So so you understand each and every aspect, and the link is creatoracademy.youtube.com. So there you will find a lot of videos which I missed at the beginning and I didn't pay attention to, so maybe I could avoid that claim as well. But that claim was not really, was not very a fair one, because I used a platform and I took the outro from there and I changed it a little bit and I put an image and it was just the sound behind, but they didn't took that out, so I don't know why they claimed it. Because if you put it in a pro package on a website, membership website, and I paid for membership, like pro version of that, if you don't want me to use it, you should remove it, isn't it? Okay, yeah, whatever. It happened. What are the copyright owner options to block the entire video? Yeah, in certain countries, monetize the video and cash in 100% of the ads revenue, or he can choose to share it with you. I think they won't choose to share it with you. Why they should, why they would choose to share it with you? Maybe if they are great people, but I don't know. So what is really fair use? This is very ambiguous, and we have like a section of the Copyright Act from 1976, and fair use is for purposes such as criticism, comment, news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit educational personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. So if you make it a fair use and transformational was like, oh my god, what's that? It's not very well defined, but let's say you have a video of, I don't know, 20 minutes and you use other people's videos like 90% of it, then maybe that won't count on fair use stuff. But there are even videos that use 100% of the video of the, I don't know, cartoon, but they are making transformational and gets another message to the audience. I only use like a small percentage from other people's videos, or I don't know, images and so on, just to point out some things with the help of those images, and just to make it a little bit educational and inspire more in that video. So that's why I use certain images, videos and so on. But you have to make it transformational, so you fit in the Fair Use Act. Be sure before you do something stupid like I did, inform yourself. Just don't pass that videos from Creator Academy or other readings that you had with guidelines. You can't share songs with static images and just make a music YouTube channel from that. You can't do it. I asked and I got the answer. Next, you have resources from where to take the music. I'll have in the link below Artlist affiliate link, so you can subscribe for it and get 2 months free. Okay, so YouTube is not your enemy, is your friend. They help you understand certain things that you didn't before. So they are just guiding you between the things. So they will explain. They are not your enemy. If nobody would claim, they would never give you a strike or something. So this is it. And you can, the beautiful part is you can fight a claim or the strike. If you have evidence, you can fight it. So you can fix the problems. Okay, so keep up the good work. YouTube is a completely free platform, a big search engine, made the most millionaires from scratch, really from scratch, and is very transparent with the algorithm and guidelines they have. So how to really start with YouTube? Inform yourself on the regulations, choose your niche accordingly, start creating and make authentic videos, improve your editing skills gradually. But inform yourself on claim, copyright, strike, and fair use.